Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Netflix. First, navigate to the Netflix website or download their official app on your device. You will see a prompt to enter your email address. This is the initial step to create your account. After entering your email, you will be guided to set up a secure password. Make sure your password is strong and memorable, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for optimal security. This ensures your viewing experience remains private and protected from unauthorized access. Next, you will need to select a subscription plan that fits your viewing habits. Netflix typically offers several tiers, each with different benefits. For instance, some plans provide standard definition, while others offer high definition or even ultra-high definition video quality. You can also choose how many screens can stream simultaneously, ranging from 1 to 4 devices. Carefully review each option, considering your budget and how many people will be using the account to make the best choice for your household. Once you have chosen your ideal plan, the next step is to set up your payment information. Netflix makes this process straightforward and secure. You can typically use major credit or debit cards, such as Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. Additionally, many regions support digital payment services like PayPal. Simply enter your billing details accurately and review them carefully. Confirming this information will finalize your subscription, allowing you to move closer to enjoying your favorite shows and movies without interruption. Congratulations! You are now ready to dive into the vast world of Netflix entertainment. With your account active, you can immediately start browsing thousands of movies, television series, and documentaries. Don't forget to create individual profiles for each family member. This helps Netflix provide personalized recommendations based on their unique viewing history. Get ready to discover new favorites and enjoy exclusive content available only on Netflix, all from the comfort of your home or on the go, anytime you wish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.